Hello everyone, Lily Yuck here. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this skin that I got from REELSKIN. It's a practice piercing skin. I'm super excited. I'm going to be beginning my piercing journey, so this is a great practice sheet. Let's open it up and see what it has inside. Should you have any questions at all, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. With that being said, let's get started. So this practice piercing skin is wrapped in bubble wrap. So let's go ahead and cut that open. This is very interesting. When I saw this online, I was very intrigued to see how they did this. So this is what it looks like. I'm super excited about this piercing sheet. It does come with your left and right ear. This is awesome because I do want to specialize in the customization of decorating the ears. So this sheet contains the tongue. It contains the male and female nipple. It also has the navel, the nose. That's super exciting. I'm excited about that one. The mouth and the eyelid. Alright, so let's go ahead and lift it up and see what these body parts look like up close. So here is what the ear looks like up close. I will be demonstrating how I pierce the industrial on this ear. I am going to be practicing my very first piercing, so stay tuned till the end of the video to watch that. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed through this part of the video, and I'm just going to go ahead and show each body part up close. This piercing practice skin is very well made. If you know REELSKIN, they do have quality practice skins. So this is what it looks like when it's held up. I'm super excited to dive right in and begin piercing. So go ahead and follow along. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay tuned for all the videos I will be posting using this piercing sheet. So I'm going to start with getting an alcohol pad and cleaning my area. I want to make sure that I develop the proper practices immediately from the jump. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe that down. I'm going to get a Sharpie and I'm going to go ahead and just dot the areas that I'm going to pierce. So I'm just trying to align it. I've been watching a bunch of videos on aligning. If you have any suggestions on this, then go ahead and leave those in the comments down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and grab this 14 gauge needle. I know 16 gauge is also commonly used for the industrial piercing, but I'm going to go ahead and just go with the 14 gauge for this video. And then here we have the needle, and this is what it looks like. It's just your standard stainless steel needle. Here is the receiving tube that I will be using. I know this one is pretty big, but until I get a little bit more comfortable with piercing, I thought that this was a perfect starting one for me. So I know when it comes to piercing, angles are very important. So here is my first attempt at piercing the industrial. So I'm making sure to align everything correctly, making sure my finger placement is correct. We are working with the needle, so safety is very important. Needle went through without a problem. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab a cork to place that at the end of the needle to prevent any poking from happening while I'm piercing the second hole. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process. This time I'm going to go ahead and place a cork at the back of the ear to see if this approach works better for me. I'm going to go ahead and just grab the industrial barbell and I'm going to align it up at the end of the needle. Just guide that right in and push it right on through, and it went in pretty effortlessly. Now time to go ahead and grab the little ball and try to screw that in. So I did struggle with this honestly, but I saw a lot of videos where a lot of people struggle with screwing in this little ball. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my best to get familiar with that. If you have any tips at all, I would definitely love to hear them. You can leave them in the comments down below. So what do we think? This is my first industrial piercing using the REELSKIN Piercing Practice Sheet. I really like this. The quality is very well made. I'm super excited to dive right in and pierce as many holes as I can in these body parts. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab an alcohol sheet and clean the area right up since this is an industrial piercing. Alrighty y'all, so what do we think? After this, I will definitely be placing an order for more of these piercing practice skins. I will go ahead and leave links in the description box with everything that I did use in this video. Have you picked one of these up? And if so, do you like it? Let me know in the comments down below. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for future videos. I do have TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. I would greatly appreciate the support over there as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching and have a great one.